After 28 years, a verdict in the demolition of the Babri Masjid, a verdict which led to celebrations for the BJP as their senior Margdarshaks L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Uma Bharti, not a Margdarshak but ex-Chief Minister, and 29 others were all acquitted in the Babri demolition conspiracy case. The special judge said that this was not a conspiracy, it wasn't pre-planned. He said it was carried out by hooligans. The reactions to the verdict, as he said, across the BJP were those of celebration, with many senior BJP leaders not even calling it a mosque, though it had been referred to as a mosque in the Supreme Court verdict, but saying the Babri building or the Babri structure. However, it has been questioned by the Congress, by the CPIM and southern parties like the DMK and Kamal Hassan's party.
Laddus and celebrations at the homes of BJP stalwarts L.K. Advani and M.M. Joshi, minutes after the Babri demolition verdict, in which the two leaders, who were the top rung of the BJP leadership in 1992 when the Babri Masjid was demolished, and 30 other big political and religious leaders, were all acquitted by a court who said there was no proof they conspired to incite lakhs of car sevaks to bring down the mosque. Judge S.K. Yadav, who also retired today, said in his 2,300-page judgment that top leaders of the BJP were on stage at the time of the demolition, but there is no evidence to show the accused got together with anti-social car sevaks to bring down the structure. The judge also said that the recording of slogans by the accused was not correlated with voice samples by the CBI. He said that the witnesses have accepted that video cassettes presented as evidence have been tampered with. The prosecution has not been able to prove which accused gave which inciting speech that led to breakdown between two communities, the judge said in his order. He also added that merely giving an inciting speech is not enough to be proven guilty, and that there is no evidence to show that the accused incited riots.
स्पेशल कोर्ट का आज का जो निर्णय हुआ है वह अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है, बहुत खुशी का प्रसंग है। जब ये समाचार सुना, जय श्री राम कह करके हमने इसका स्वागत किया।
फैसला बहुत साफ है कि कोई कॉन्स्पिरेसी नहीं थी, ऐतिहासिक फैसला है।
Judge Yadav, who heard only the Babri demolition case for 3 years on orders from the Supreme Court, started reading the judgment around noon. The operative part of the judgment took 15 minutes. The big question, will there be an appeal against the verdict?
I think that the judgment is erroneous. It is not based on evidence or law. We will challenge it in the High Court.
The decision of the special court today runs counter to the Supreme Court judgment, urges the central and state governments to file an appeal against the decision of the special court.
The Babri demolition case is perhaps also an example of how slowly the wheels of justice seem to turn in our country. It took a court 28 years to acquit 32 people in the case. If there were to be an appeal, perhaps the case will drag for many more years. With Rajesh Gupta, Saurabh Shukla and Bureau Inputs, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.